Hey everybody, we are back today with another Walt Disney subscription. If you don't know, Walt Disney is Walt Life box is a monthly subscription box which sends you products that are.
We good.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
It's been a long day,
It's been a
y'all.
long day. Um, that has that has been Disney approved. You can for some of the boxes you can pick gender or age specific. Now, normally what we do is we pick one level of box, and we get every single age group in a specific gender. This time we picked one gender, one age group, and we got the box of each level. So that way you can compare what you're paying for based on the level.
Yes.
So the first box we have is the classic box. The classic box is $30 a month. Now know that with this one you cannot pick your age or your gender, and you do not get an entry into the trip to Disneyland. So $30, you
Okay.
get three or more items, and you just get whatever they give you.
All right. Well, let's see what's up in it for $30. This the basic box, you said.
Basic box, classic.
Okay. White hat that reads Akuna Matata. Akuna Matata. But it's a child. One size fits most.
Okay. I'm glad you know what that means.
Uh,
I would have been smooth dumb.
No, let's see, cause don't nothing fit my head.
And I got a bun on mine. But yeah. And I got a bun on my head right now. So
Yeah. Let me see, cause it does have the one of these straps.
the adjustable strap.
Yeah. No. I mean, it ain't gonna fit. I guess it's like
If you didn't have braids,
it's
it'll probably
short.
fit.
Yeah. But my braids are flat. It's a shorter hat, but
Okay.
if you don't
It
have a
doesn't
long
have the
head.
depth
Mm-hmm.
that normal hat would.
So that's the.
But it's still cute.
Yeah, it's cute. And then, have we gotten this before? This is
A journal.
Disney Princess Journal. Okay. So we got Tiana, Belle. I don't know.
Oh my lord! How could we have?
And you know what? Only
This is Aurora,
okay.
and on the back is Snow White.
I don't think
Wow.
I'm right.
Ooh, we gotta get you on some Disney stuff.
I'm good. Okay, and then we got applique.
So what is it? Preheat dry.
Fabric.
Yeah, this is an iron on.
So you can iron that on. It's a little patch you can iron on. Mickey. And so it's 3 plus, so it's one more thing. And it's a little Mickey keychain.
That's cute.
Mm-hmm. So was that worth $30? Oh, you do get a little letter too.
They said you didn't get a letter with this one.
We got an L. Do we have an L already?
I think
Yeah, we have an L.
We have an L.
Okay. So keychain, patch,
Journal.
Kuna Matata hats, $30, basic box.
I think that was worth $30. That's gonna be a stretch. That's gonna be a stretch for $30.
She be up in the Disney stores, well,
Yeah.
before COVID.
I know that the journal costs so much, and the hat is gonna probably run you like anywhere from 16 to 20. Okay, so the next one is the Magic Box. The Magic Box is $39 a month. You get to pick your age and your gender. So we pick female 10 through 17, and it has 4 or plus more items in this box.
Yes. So we got to pick. You get to pick for all the rest of the boxes.
Yes,
Just not the basic box.
just not the classic.
And we did female for all of them.
Female 10 to 17.
Female 10 to 7 for the rest of them. Okay. All right. So, jelly beans.
Which seems to be a
Jelly
theme
beans,
in
yeah.
all of our boxes.
Yes.
And Jelly Belly is actually a really good jelly bean.
Oh, yeah. I don't even like jelly beans, but I like jelly bellies. Okay, a little Pocahontas. Choose your path. Trust your heart. I want to say it's a necklace.
Let's go. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, a little necklace. And
That's actually really pretty.
yeah. This is a little bracelet. Oh. And
this is for Pixar.
Okay,
this is the house from Up with the little balloons attached to it. I think that's really cute.
This is cool. This is a 7 dwarves, I think. Grumpy, bashful, dopey, happy, sneezy, sleepy. I don't know. It's a notebook though.
Yeah, and it's that cork material.
Yeah.
And it comes with a bookmark already inside of it. That's really pretty. It reminds me of the apple.
Oh, maybe that's like a little thing there. And then,
oh my gosh, this is actually really nice.
I want to say that's all. I don't see a little letter in here. So
what? So this one is supposed to come with a letter and it didn't.
That's under something.
No, this one's missing the letter.
Yeah.
That's just messed up. So one that was supposed to come with the letter did, and the other one didn't. It was supposed to.
Well, all right. So journal, Jelly Belly,
a necklace and a bracelet. Now I will say I know how much this stuff is, and this is worth the $39 you would have spent based on Disney prices.
Okay.
And these are actually really pretty. I've never seen these before, but I've seen how much their necklaces and their bracelets cost. And I've never seen anything branded with Up. So, and I actually like that movie. That movie's a tearjerker, especially in the first 5 minutes. Oh yeah. it makes you full blown ugly, right? It's not right.
Oh.
I hate it that Disney does that. Okay, so this one is a Magic Plus box. The Magic Plus box is $49 a month. You get 5 or more items, and like I said before, we got female 10 to 17.
Okay, so it's a little $9 notch up each box. Okay, more Jelly Bellies. What's this? Looks like a pencil case, but I could be wrong. Okay. This is a 2-piece cosmetic case. So it's Ariel. So this is a clear one with Ariel. Oh no. Yeah. Clear one with.
Yeah, it's like the artist collection where it's just the outline and a little bit of color.
Oh, okay.
So it's that version of Ariel.
And then this one reads The Girl Who Has Everything.
Yes, which Ariel was. She had a girl who had everything, but yet she wanted more in life. So actually this is really, really cute. Especially if you're like 10 to 17 and you're just going to school and you're just starting to have it. And like she said, it can also be a pencil case if you think your 10-year-old is not at an age in life to be wearing makeup. That can easily be a pencil case for school and keep everything organized.
This is true. Oh, cute. A little Minnie Mouse pen.
And it looks like the type of ears, excuse me,
Let's see.
that you buy at the park. And we actually had the rose gold ones just like those.
Same necklace. I really wish I could get a better view of this necklace.
Now, if you go to our Instagram page, I'll put pictures of the boxes on there. The Instagram page is Shades of Grey Show.
Okay. Same bracelet as well. That was in the last box. And it's sitting in the letter A.
We have A already.
Yeah. So that's it.
So we got the bracelet, the necklace, the Jelly Belly, which was in the other box,
the pen, and the 2
so you
makeup cases.
So you have to ask yourself, is it worth $10 more to get these 2 items?
Yeah.
I forgot what the other item was. It was the cork.
I like that one better.
Cork journal, and I do like the cork journal better. So you have to ask yourself, would you want to spend $10 more to get a makeup case and a pen, or would you rather get $10 less and get this in the journal for your 10 to 17-year-old?
You have great memory.
No, I honestly don't. Because I lose my wallet at least once a week.
She does. Yeah.
So the last box for this is the Kingdom box. Now the Kingdom box is a pretty big price jump. It's $79 a month.
Oh, okay.
It promises you six or more items. And once again, we got female ages 10 through 17.
All right.
Make sure you don't sell my address because I think it's on the bottom.
No. I can.
So let's see what we get for $30 more. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Somebody please explain.
This is from Toy Story. This is the Slinky dog. And I believe that you can put stuff into its back. And like carry it around with you. So this is actually pretty cute and very funny. But yes, my niece will probably end up using this like a little purse. But the tail is also bendable, so you can bend the tail however you want. And pretty much what you have is just a little like cute purse. It's not.
It's
real
very
big.
little space. It's gonna be a coin purse.
Yeah, it's gonna be like
with
a
all
coin
that
purse.
dog or whatever.
Or you end up putting something really cute in here for like a 10-year-old, like a ring or something in here. But I think this is very cute. The neck is kind of weirding me out though because it kind of flops around.
I'm just.
But it's the Slinky dog from Toy Story. How have you not seen Toy Story?
Oh, I've seen it. I just don't remember. I saw it like when it came out and never saw it again. This I love. This is really, really pretty. So this is earrings and necklace. And it's Disney Parks collection. So here is the necklace.
So these are only things that are actually sold in the park. There are things that are just park exclusives. Lately they've been putting the pins in the Disney store simply because nobody's been going to the park, so you can get exclusive pins at the store. But if you're a Disney fan, you know there's some things they only sell in the park. And so this is one of the exclusive park items that you only see there. And I think that is actually really pretty.
Yeah, Tinkerbell. All right. I'm gonna put this back.
Okay. Keep this in mind, this box is $79.
Too much. All right. Next we have a Sleeping Beauty castle.
Oh.
Metal model kits.
Yes. So if you make metal models, this is a model of the castle. It's a 3D model that you put together, and it's all metal. And actually really pretty. I love those models.
Oh.
And you don't need glue.
Okay.
So those are actually
Never heard
really
of it.
nice. And it's got a good weight to it. I've seen them before, and I thought they were gorgeous. I can't wait to make this.
We got, I want to believe this is a magnet. It's the Mickey and Minnie. And it reads Walt Disney World. And then we have a keychain of I don't know what.
Disney Castle.
Oh, okay.
But it's like a 3D version of it. It's almost like it's made with flower petals.
It looks kind of janky to me. But... Okay. And a bunch of more little random stuff. This is the Ohana patch, another patch.
From Lilo and Stitch.
And
And I believe Ohana means family. Correct me if I'm wrong, people. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Walt Disney Life Story Time is a special treat. We are having beautiful princesses read you and your family a bedtime story each week. Cuddle in the night and join us. Log into your Walt Disney account to watch along and unlock exclusive fun. Okay, whatever. You are awesome. My name is blah blah blah. Okay, I don't know what that is. A bookmark. So many books, so little time.
Which is something that Belle would say from Beauty and the Beast. She's an avid reader.
And then another little
Is it the same one?
I was gonna say, didn't we get one of those in the same one?
Oh,
did I drop it back?
Did you put it
Maybe
back in
I
the
dropped
box?
it back in.
Yeah, I think you dropped it back in.
Okay. Disregard.
And we have an F. I don't think we have an F
I
yet.
don't think we have an F.
I don't think we have an F yet.
We do not have
We
an
do
F.
not have an F.
So what do we have?
We have a W, a A, an L, T. So we have Walt right now. We have L, I, F. We are missing an E.
That's it.
We are missing an E from Walt. Like,
Once we get an E.
trip for two to Disney, baby.
Oh my gosh. Well, let us know if y'all need some A's or T's or I's.
And we will trade you an E.
Right.
So,
Right.
like I said, this box was $79. This was out of my boxes and my favorite one. I like metal art. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. This is like really cute, and I love it. It's just his neck that kind of weirds me out. It looks like more like a chicken
Yeah.
than the dog. And I wish the mouth was closed. But this looks more like a chicken from here to here. And this looks like Slinky Dog from here to here. But yeah, this one was my favorite, and knowing how much the metal art is, and knowing how much the necklaces and the jewelry from Walt Disney are, this one I do believe is worth $79. But I know she has a different opinion for me, and I know in her mind it is not worth $79. I can tell by her look on her face.
I try. They say I wear my heart on my sleeve, and I try not to nowadays. It ain't did nothing good. It done got me in trouble on it.
But
no good.
Now you know what you get for your money, depending on what you get.
That's why we do it.
Yeah, and we can see a bunch of repeats with like keychains will repeat. You had a couple of same jewelry in one box. One box was the same thing minus a journal.
Right.
So now you can kind of pick your price points for your person. We're going to do the same thing next month, except we're going to pick male 0 through... No, I'm sorry. We're going to pick male 5 through 9.
5 through 9. Okay.
5 through 9. Because one box doesn't have a 0 through 4. So that's why I didn't pick it. So we're going to do 5 through 9 male next time. So...
Let us know if y'all liked it.
Yeah, let us know if you guys like it. Which box did you feel was worth it? Classic, Magic, Magic Plus, or Kingdom? And let us know what you really think about Walt Life below. In life, there is black and white. But with us, you get a shade of gray. Bye, guys.